Today, we're diving into a smartwatch that wants to take on the big brands while staying accessible, the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro. This high-end model from Amazfit aims to compete with market leaders like the Apple Watch and Galaxy Watch, all while maintaining an excellent price-to-quality ratio. But does it really manage to stand up to these giants? That's what we're going to find out. At first glance, the GTR 3 Pro stands out with its sleek and refined design. Its aluminum alloy case gives it a premium finish, while the 1.45-inch AMOLED display boasts a resolution of 480 by 480 pixels, ensuring impressive brightness and clarity. With a thickness of just 10.7 mm and a diameter of 46 mm, it might seem bulky, but its lightweight design makes it comfortable to wear. An interesting point to note is that Amazfit offers two types of bands, one made of fluoroelastomer for athletes and the other in leather for a more stylish look. Plus, there are over 100 watch faces available, including some animated ones, allowing for extensive customization to suit everyone's tastes. On the interface side, the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro runs on Zepp OS, a system designed to be fluid and ergonomic. It allows you to access notifications, navigate menus, and install applications. However, the App Store is still limited compared to more mature platforms, such as Wear OS or Watch OS. However, Zepp plans to gradually enrich its catalog by integrating more apps and services, which could enhance the user experience in the future. The watch is equipped with a microphone and speaker, allowing for Bluetooth calls and the use of the Amazon Alexa voice assistant. The latter works without an internet connection for some basic commands, but it does require network access for more advanced features. The inability to access services like Spotify can be frustrating points for music lovers. On the connectivity front, the watch supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring a fast and stable connection with both Android and iOS smartphones. However, it doesn't have an NFC chip, which means it doesn't support contactless payments, a feature that's becoming increasingly sought after in modern smartwatches. If you're looking for a high-performing watch for sports and health tracking, the GTR 3 Pro has two serious advantages. It offers over 150 sports modes, covering everything from running, swimming, and cycling to more specific activities like climbing and skiing. Its GPS is accurate and compatible with multiple satellite systems, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, and QZSS, ensuring good tracking of outdoor movements, even in areas where reception is more challenging. The BioTracker 3.0 sensor provides continuous monitoring of heart rate, blood oxygen levels, stress levels, and even skin temperature. It can automatically detect certain sports activities, so users don't have to manually start a recording of their session. Sleep tracking is built in, analyzing different phases of rest, such as light, deep, and REM sleep. It also includes an assessment of the quality of nocturnal breathing, although this function is still in the process of being improved. On the other hand, the one-click measurement function allows you to obtain a quick assessment of your health status. In just 45 seconds, it's a real plus for users who care about their well-being. This feature compiles several measurements into a single analysis, providing a comprehensive snapshot of physical condition in an instant. The battery life is decent, despite all its features, averaging about a week with regular use. However, heavy use of GPS and notifications can cut that battery life down to about 4 to 5 days. Compared to the standard GTR 3, the Pro version mainly stands out because of its screen, larger, with its speaker allowing for calls and its internal storage space. Nevertheless, both models share the same Zepp OS interface and offer relatively similar GPS and sports performance. In terms of battery life, the GTR 3 Pro offers about a week of endurance with normal use and can last up to 35 hours in GPS mode. These figures remain solid, although slightly below the 12 days announced by Zepp. The standard GTR, on the other hand, achieves a battery life of 21 days in power-saving mode, which could tip the scales for some users. So, is the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro worth your attention? If you are looking for a smartwatch that is stylish, has many health sensors and is good for sports, it is an interesting alternative to the more expensive models from Samsung and Apple. Its decent battery life, quality screen, and smooth navigation make it an excellent choice for everyday use. However, if you're expecting a well-stocked app store and more advanced music management, you might be left wanting. It's a watch that focuses primarily on the essentials, offering great value for the price. So, feel free to click the link in the description to learn more. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product presentations. Thanks for watching. See you soon.